The concept of the Satanic New World Order (NWO) using vaccines to control the population has been a topic of debate among conspiracy theorists for years. According to this ideology, a group of powerful individuals and organizations, often referred to as the elites, are working together to create a one-world government that would control every aspect of people's lives. Vaccines, in this context, are seen as a tool to achieve this goal by allegedly containing mind-controlling substances, tracking devices, or other harmful ingredients that would allow the NWO to manipulate and enslave humanity. Proponents of this theory argue that the widespread use of vaccines is a deliberate attempt to reduce the population, create a culture of dependency on pharmaceuticals, and ultimately establish a totalitarian regime. They claim that vaccines are laced with toxic substances such as mercury, aluminum, and formaldehyde, which can cause a range of health problems, from autism and neurological disorders to infertility and even death. Some also believe that vaccines contain microchips or other tracking devices that would enable the NWO to monitor people's movements, thoughts, and behaviors. However, there is no scientific evidence to support these claims. Vaccines are rigorously tested for safety and efficacy before they are approved for use, and numerous studies have shown that they are not only effective in preventing infectious diseases but also safe for the vast majority of people. The ingredients used in vaccines, such as mercury and aluminum, are present in minute quantities and have been extensively studied for their potential health effects. The overwhelming consensus among medical professionals and scientific organizations is that vaccines are a crucial tool in preventing the spread of diseases and protecting public health. Moreover, the idea that vaccines contain mind-controlling substances or tracking devices is utterly baseless. Vaccines are designed to stimulate the immune system to produce antibodies against specific diseases, not to control people's minds or monitor their activities. The notion that a group of powerful individuals could secretly add such substances to vaccines without being detected is implausible, given the rigorous testing and regulatory processes that vaccines undergo. It is also worth noting that the concept of Satanic NWO using vaccines to control the population is often linked to anti-Semitic and anti-government ideologies. Some proponents of this theory believe that the NWO is a Jewish-led conspiracy to control the world, while others see it as a plot by governments to establish a totalitarian regime. These ideologies are not only baseless but also promote hatred, intolerance, and division. In conclusion, the idea that the Satanic NWO uses vaccines to control the population is a conspiracy theory with no basis in reality. Vaccines are a safe and effective way to prevent infectious diseases, and their use has been extensively studied and proven to be beneficial for public health. While it is understandable that people may have concerns about vaccine safety, these concerns should be addressed through scientific inquiry and evidence-based information, rather than through the promotion of unfounded conspiracy theories. By promoting vaccination and relying on scientific evidence, we can work together to protect public health and prevent the spread of diseases, rather than succumbing to baseless fears and misinformation. Ultimately, it is essential to be critical of information found online and to rely on credible sources when making decisions about our health and well-being.